how can we actually go from here and elevate it, right? How can we actually elevate it? And one thing that I did do some research on as I was actually coming through this and having a look at it is, well, I was looking at the science behind stuffed animals because I kind of really wanted to look at it. And, of course, when it comes to Amazon, you have to be careful in terms of the actual claims that you actually make with your particular product. But it's actually quite impressive in terms of the actual massive benefits there are to it. And also another thing is I was actually starting to think yesterday of what other materials can actually be used inside the actual stuffed animal, right? And there is materials, it's like a where you can actually use and you can heat in the microwave. Now, your particular product probably lends itself to that in terms of the different materials that can be actually used inside of it. This particular brand here called Warmies, they basically have a ton of stuffed animals that are all microwavable, right? So, but I'm not sure that these guys actually do anything. See, their weight is 2 pounds. So for this particular company, it's just particularly more about just having a stuffed animal that you can actually warm. It says weighted here, but I think yours is weighted a little bit more. It's around about 3 pounds. So that could be an interesting thing because on Amazon, I haven't seen anyone here that has a warm or where you can actually warm the particular product, which could be an interesting thing. And then when we look at this particular brand, well, they've already tested the market for us, right? They know I would probably be grabbing their products, see what materials they're actually made out of, what they're actually using, and then translate that to the animals that you actually want to do or to Dubs, the actual dog. And if you had an actual box, right, like with your actual branding before and the warm, the microwavable, you can probably even write or a different word to warm. It could actually do really, really well just from a conversion point of view, because again, no one is really doing this on Amazon. Now, let me go back here for a second. So yeah, so in terms of right now with what you have, one thing you can probably look at is, again, I'm kind of looking at this kind of hero image. For me, it's a really, really big thing because we need to get the click through. We need to differentiate ourselves from all of these particular animals on the actual hero image. So, I mean, one thing I have done in the past, but I'm just kind of concerned the fact that you do have all your inventory in Amazon. But one thing that we've actually done in the past is if we have like a poly bag, right? So a poly bag where we mail our products, then what we usually tend to do is actually have a sticker, and we'll make up a sticker of, let's say, this here. So one thing, and you can do this as an actual test where you could remove, say, only 50 units. So it's probably going to be too costly. We're probably going to have another call about that one. But you could do an actual test where you can probably remove a small amount in inventory, maybe 20 or 30 units. And then what you can actually do is you can get a sticker made up. You can put it on a poly bag, and then you can actually put it on the hero image itself. And now you'd still make it look really, really good in the hero image, of course. But I'm just trying to see how we can actually do it to move forward. So there's a few ideas. But I think, and again, also when we look at the actual keywords itself within the title, so you have Now We Play, which is your brand name. Then you have the actual Dubs the dog, which is the character. And then we start to have the keyword over here.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.